The final phase of assembly elections in Bihar is taking place as the remaining 57 of the 243 seats go to polls with a substantial minority vote. The anti-BJP Grand Alliance led by Nitish Kumar is seen as favourites in this region called Seemanchal. The 57 constituencies, including 24 in Seemanchal region bordering West Bengal and spread over 9 districts of Madhubani, Darbhanga, Supaul, Madhepura, Saharsa, Araria, Kishanganj, Purnia and Katihar.
Polling is underway in the fifth and final phase of the Bihar Assembly elections. 3 broad regions polling today: Mithilanchal, which is Darbhanga and Madhubani, which you would say could be NDA strongholds, and then you have the Kosi region closer to Nepal, which traditionally has voted for the Grand Alliance, but this time you have the Pappu Yadav factor. He's contesting independently of both alliances. Whose votes can he eat into? And then you have the Seemanchal region, which consists of Kishanganj, Araria, Katihar, Purnia, districts that in the past have voted majorly for parties like the Congress, RJD and the JDU that now form the Grand Alliance. Nitish Kumar will be hoping for a very good showing in this phase of the election, perhaps more than the BJP, because their chances really hinge on these 57 seats, and if they can do very well there, they will feel that they have some hope in this election. In fact, they have hope for this phase in these elections, but more importantly, these voters over here, all of these voters, women voters who have outnumbered the men in this election, also hogging a lot of media attention. That's a good thing, so many voters early in the morning to cast their vote, and we'll see if even this time around the number of women who've come out to vote, if they outnumber the men like they have done in the last 4 phases of the election. But a good thing that so many people out to cast their vote. With camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.